I'm Linda, a staff product manager here at Squarespace. Today, I'm going to show you how to level up your service business with payment plans, an easy way to get more bookings, create better experiences, and save hours on admin work. Payment plans are a new pricing option that lets you collect an upfront deposit and then charge incremental installments over a schedule you set. If you offer trainings, workshops, retreats, camps, or other session-based activities, this one's for you. For shoppers who are thinking about a higher-priced service like a summer camp or a coaching package, affordability can sometimes be a major hurdle. Payment plans help shoppers commit and secure their spot with a smaller upfront deposit, and then pay the remaining balance over time in manageable increments. The amounts and schedule are all completely customizable, so you can offer plans that work for your customers, keep your cash flow predictable, and ensure that you've collected the full balance before delivering the service. First, let's see how to set one up. Payment plans can be set up for service products priced at $100 or more. So start by creating a new service product or editing an existing one. In the editor, you'll notice a new tab titled Payment Options. Set the deposit either for a fixed amount or a percentage of the total. Then, decide how many installments it should take to collect the full balance, from 1 to as many as 6, and the timing for each, either on regular intervals or custom dates. You may opt for custom dates if you want the final payment to land before a session or an event starts. You can also set a deadline for your deposit to make sure that your customers aren't starting new payment plans too close to when a service will be delivered. After the deadline, customers will only see the option to pay in full. Speaking of customers, let's see payment plans from their point of view. On the product detail page, they can choose to pay in full or pay a deposit, and they can view the full payment schedule before they add the service to their cart. The experience is fully branded to your business and has transparency built in. Automatic reminders go out before each installment is charged, and customers can log into their account to check their schedule or update their payment method. To improve your customer's experience even more, you can send a welcome message, share important updates, and trigger reminders with Squarespace campaigns. We know you're busy with a million other things, so we've made payment plans management easy by helping you track everything in one place. From your orders panel, you can filter by payment plan status so you always have a clear picture of each customer's repayment progress. If you need to issue a refund or cancel future installments, you can do that directly from the order. Pro tip, before offering payment plans, it may be worth updating your policies around cancellations and refunds. This sets clearer expectations for customers upfront and can save you a lot of headaches later. And that's it. To recap, payment plans help you get high-value bookings by making the upfront cost feel more manageable. Customers get a transparent, professional experience from first landing through final payment, and you can manage tracking, outreach, cancellations, and refunds, all without leaving Squarespace. Check the Help Center link below for full setup details, and then jump into Squarespace to try it for yourself. And remember, you've got this.